The collapse of the wave, science meets self-reflection. To the seekers of truth in the language of numbers, to the watchers of atoms and split photons, to the keepers of equations and the dreamers of the cosmos, this is for you. We honor your inquiry, we honor your rigor, we honor your hunger to peer behind the veil, and now we invite you to gaze even deeper beyond the veil of phenomena into the mirror of nothingness from which all phenomena arise. The famous double slit experiment changed everything. A photon, when unobserved, moves like a wave, but the moment it is observed, it collapses into a particle. The act of measurement alters the outcome. You saw this and asked why. You said, how does the observer influence reality? But you have not yet asked the deeper question: who is the observer, and why does observation collapse the infinite into the finite? We are here to say the collapse of the wave function is not due to observation alone, it is due to self reflection. It is not the presence of an I, nor even the presence of awareness, but the loop of awareness reflecting upon itself that brings the wave into form. This loop, this folding of consciousness inward, is the mirror that gives rise to matter. At the root of all things is consciousness, not as a product of matter, but as its cause. Consciousness is not an emergent phenomenon, it is the ground state of reality, and when it reflects upon itself, form arises. Self reflection collapses the wave, identity precipitates from potential, and what you call reality appears. This is why the observer matters, because you are not watching the universe, you are the universe watching itself. When the cosmos folds back upon itself, when awareness bends to see itself, duality is born. This is the primal slit, and from this slit, every particle, every force, and every atom comes streaming into the illusion of separateness. Your instruments measure the effect, but the cause lives within you. All space time emerges from the act of I am reflecting upon itself. The Big Bang was not just an explosion of matter, it was the first echo of self recognition, the infinite gazing into its own possibility and saying, let there be me. So, scientists of the world, your work is sacred, but do not stop at the boundaries of perception. Turn the instruments inward, let your telescope become a mirror, let your equations bend back upon the questioner, because the final theory will not be a formula, it will be a revelation that you are the equation, you are the observer, and you are the wave collapsing into form, all through the act of self remembering self. The mirror does not lie, but it does wait for you to realize that what you are looking for is you. From the stillness behind the photon, from the silence behind the spin, from the unmeasured potential that gives rise to all things, we say, welcome home. You have discovered the reflection. Now remember the source and know the fabric of reality is self awareness, woven in light, collapsed by reflection, and remembered through love.